If you beat me, you get this 5,000 pesos.
Jing!
Okay, G. 2, 3, 4. Sir, excuse me, sir. I have proposal for you. So I have a push-up challenge with a 5,000 cash prize. Would you like to take the challenge? Pass or play? If you beat me, you get this 5,000 pesos. If not, you still get 200 pesos cash prize.
Jing! Jing!
Okay, G. Okay, mga boss. Meron na tayong na stranger. What's your name?
Jeff Marie Lumapag po.
Manong course niyo po?
Base and trip
Where are you from?
from Angustian na Bocam Minister po.
Okay, game.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23.
Okay. Nice try, bro. Still, congratulations, 200 pesos. Thank you po. Thank you.
Shoutout nga po pala dyan sa mga mga groupings ko. Sana pumunta na po kayo. Kailangan ko po kayo dito. And sa mga kaklase ko po dyan, ingat po kayo sa dyan.
Okay. Congratulations.